just see her, so beautiful and sweet, with her hair and her actions more tame. She's probably less damaged and has a nice family, though my brothers would have loved you the same.
Hello from Cardiff, the capital city of Wales. The weather today is perfect and we are hoping to have a wonderful visit. So tag along.
You pick her up and you always call first, and you wait till she gets in the door. Miles are a number, I bet you hardly wonder what I'm leaving up to these days anymore. Oh, her last love, hope she's everything that you dreamed of. I'll bet you bring her flowers you find by the road, and tell her she's pretty and make sure she knows. And I'll bet she'll get every.
We just found out that there is a stunning large park next to the castle. I'm so happy seeing these beautiful shades of green all around us. So let's wander around. Troy, you got two options: banana coconut and chicken casserole. Which one do you want? Okay, banana coconut it is. Yes.
Thing that I want, 'cause I couldn't tell you what I want. I am realized.
Four little ducks went swimming one day over the hills and far away. Mommy duck said, quack, quack, quack. And only three little ducks came back. Tit, 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 tit.
You met through a friend on a lovely fall day, and the whole thing just felt meant to be. Your mama just loves her, tells her friends she's the one, and I curse every time that I prayed it was me. Oh, the last love, hope she's everything that you dreamed of. I bet you get married on a late April day, and dance to the song from that list you had saved. And I won't tell a soul I let you get away, 'cause I couldn't.
And just like that, we are saying goodbye to Cardiff with some cranberry juice to devour on our way back.